I have a bad feeling about this.
I don't sense anything.
It's not about the mission, Master. It's something elsewhere. Elusive.
Don't center on your anxiety, Obi-Wan. Keep your concentration here and now, where it belongs.
But Master Yoda says I should be mindful of the future.
But not at the expense of the moment. Be mindful of the living force, my young Padawan.
Yes, Master.
Oh dear.
What's that?
Dioxis gas! Poison!
They must be dead by now, but make certain. Check it out, Corporal. Roger, roger.
Excuse me, sirs. I'm so sorry.
You're around the Jedi.
Defend yourself! Back off. I'm warning you.
Obi-Wan, quickly! We must get to the bridge in the control sphere of this droid ship. We must question the vice get to the bottom of this.
They've escaped from the conference room. Shoot to kill. Get away. Let me see your ID. Blast him. Surround the Jedi. Stay alert. It's the Jedi. Surround the Jedi. Pull back.
They've destroyed our ship! Obi-Wan, we must find the control room that operates the main turret in the hangar bay. We need to disable it from there, so that we can get to the other side of this hangar bay safely.
Please leave us. I'm calling security.
Quickly, Obi-Wan, we don't have much time.
My joint's ache.
Obi-Wan, guard the door while I work on the lock.
Surround.
Don't let me destroy you.
I've unlocked the door, Obi-Wan. Let's go.
Waiting for orders. Surround the Jedi.
Press this.
Send reinforcements. You're under arrest. What you're told. Did you hear something? Let me see your eyes. Need help? It's the Jedi. Don't let him get away. Surround the Jedi.
Well, maybe it was just a
Back off. I'm warning you.
Now, let us press the attack.
This is a secure area.
Hurry, Obi-Wan. Need some help, Obi-Wan?
Defend yourself.
Don't let him get away.
Now, let us press the attack.
Did you hear something?
This is the control room we've been looking for. The hangar bay. Quickly, Obi-Wan. Disable the main turret target. Let's get back to the hangar.
Secure area. Surround the Jedi.
Good job, Obi-Wan. Let's go. Hurry, Obi-Wan.
Let me see your ID. Don't let him get away. Stay alert.
Where are you going?
My joint's ache. This is a secure area.
Defend yourself.
Surround the Jedi. He's armed. Stay alert. Let me see your ID. Surround the Jedi.
Hurry, Obi-Wan.
It was over here. Did you lose? Don't let him get away.